Hey, we are so excited. Are you guys excited?
Mm-hmm.
This is week 4. Now, normally you guys would be ready to record your video. All I do is shoot a phone on your, like a camera, and you guys playing it. However, we want this one to be special. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the audio done first. So we're going to create a really good audio track, and then we're going to let you guys play while we shoot several different angles. We're going to take the professional, good sounding audio, we're going to edit that into your multiple takes, and it'll sound amazing. So this will be a really cool video. So if you guys who are watching want to join us, we'll show you the tricks on how you do this. It's really cool. If you don't want to jump in this far and you just want to do an easy one yourself, at this point you just need to go play your song and shoot it on the camera. So today we are talking about getting the audio. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to record it on this piano here. If you want to come over here. This is a digital piano, and almost all digital pianos have one. This one's a Clavinova CL, what is this?
Yamaha.
CLP, a Yamaha, CLP, I think it's 735 series. But it's got a really good recording system. It sounds amazing. What we do is we record it first, and then we take a little USB thing and we put it in here, take the track over to a computer, and then we upload it to my phone. And then on the phone, we run it through and play it through this, and we hide the speaker so they can hear it, and then they just dub their fingers along with it. So then that doesn't matter if they make some mistakes, as long as we don't show their fingers making the mistakes. So this is what we're doing today, is the audio. We won't do the whole thing for you guys. Instead, we're just going to show you. You come over here, you hit this button right here, and Mylee, I want you to start as soon as I say go. I'm going to hit the record button, and it's already just waiting for her to hit that first note. So go ahead, Mylee. Okay, go ahead and stop. Come back down here now, and I'll show you what we do. We hit the stop button, and you can see there's a retry or there's a save button. So I'm going to actually hit the save. So it's saving it, and now I can actually hit the play button. And that's it. Okay, so you messed up. You'd probably want to redo that. But once you get the final thing, then the next button you do is you just hit this menu, and you go down and you say, I want a file. And on the file, you choose MIDI to audio. You hit the MIDI to audio, and what it's doing right now, oh, it's looking for my thumb drive. It's not going to find it. So I just have to exit that one. So, but then from there, I'll take my audio thumb drive and we'll put it on here. So next week, what you're gonna do is we're gonna have you guys help us set up the stage. This is the visual stuff. So go ahead, you guys finish getting this done. Next week, we're going to be ready to brainstorm what you want to do in your video. Okay, we'll break. See you guys next week.